Hi friends, welcome to our online learning video of the day. This is part 2 of our videos. The first part, we had a Zoom meeting. So if you were at our Zoom meeting, thank you for showing up. I really love seeing you all and talking to you. If you watched our Zoom meeting, you can fast forward to our video of our story time. If you were not at our Zoom meeting, you can go back and watch the first part of our video. When I talked to my friends and we went over our letter of the day, our number of the day, our shape, and all of that good stuff. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, 2020. I made a mistake in the first video, but I went ahead and changed it. Online learning rules. 1, play and talk quietly. 2, share toys and learning materials. 3, clean up after yourself. 4, be kind, listen to your teacher and family members. And 5, try your best. Do not give up. I am quickly going through the rules because we already talked about them this morning. Morning meeting and morning message. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, 2020. Good morning, pre-K superstars. Today is Wednesday. I am so excited to see you and to talk to you this morning. Today, we are going to review the 4 basic needs of plants. Love, Miss Guzman. Whoop. I think you can hear the tornado alarm in the background. So I'm going to pause this video and I am going to come back when it is over. Hi friends, I'm sorry about that. I am back. That was just a practice tornado siren. It goes off every Wednesday at noon. And I forgot about it, so it interrupted our video. But I am back. We're going to talk about the 4 basic needs of all plants. This is our letter of the day. This is the letter R. It looks like this. We talked about the friends that have letter R's in their name. You can go back and watch the other video. We talked about our shape of the day. This is a diamond, and our diamond is orange. Our number of the day is 13. We sang the days of the week and the months of the year in the other video. We did our calendar. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, 2020. And we sang our kindergarten ready song. You can watch the other video if you want to sing along with our class. And now we are going to go over our story. First, I want you to remember all of the things that we need to stay alive. Remember, human beings have basic needs just like animals and plants. Human beings have 3 basic needs, plants have 4. And here are pictures of some things that we need. To stay alive and grow, humans need water, food, and shelter. These are humans' basic needs. To stay alive, we need water, food, and shelter. Let's learn about what plants need. Plants have basic needs too. Plants need certain things to stay alive and grow. I want you to stop and think, what do you think plants need to stay alive and grow? Do plants need water like humans? Do plants need to eat food like humans? Do plants need a safe home to live in? I don't know, let's find out. Plants need sunlight. Plants collect sunlight with their leaves. They use the sunlight to make food that helps them grow. Here we learn that plants need sunlight. That is their first basic need. And the leaves, remember the leaves collect sunlight. They use the sunlight to make food that helps them grow. Human beings, we don't make food inside of our body, we eat food like pizza and oranges and apples and chicken. All right, let's move along. Plants need water. Plants soak up rainwater from the ground with their roots. They use the water to help grow healthy stems and leaves. Remember, the first part of a plant is the roots. The roots suck up water from the soil like straws. They go and send the water through the plant. The second thing that plants need is water, just like humans. So we need to drink water and plants need to drink water. So far, we know that plants need sunlight and water. Plants need nutrients. Soil holds the water and nutrients that Soil holds the water and nutrients that plants need to grow. Plants grow roots to soak up the water and nutrients in the soil. Here I see a little plant with roots. These wide, skinny things in the soil are called roots. Remember, roots. And roots suck up water, and they also suck up nutrients. Plants need nutrients that come from the soil to grow. So far, we know that plants need sunlight, water, and nutrients. Plants need air. You use your lungs to take air into your body. Plants use their leaves to take in the air they need. They use air along with sunlight to make food that helps them grow. Here, I see a lot of plants with leaves. And remember, leaves have two important jobs. They collect sunlight and air. The leaves use the sunlight and the air to make food inside of their plant. And that food that they make using sunlight and air helps them grow. Now we know that plants need sunlight, water, nutrients, and air. Plants can find all the things they need to stay alive and grow right outside. All of these plants can survive outside. They can find their sunlight from the sun, air from the wind, and water and nutrients in the soil. They don't have to go grocery shopping for food. And some plants you can keep them inside of your house, like a little house plant, or flowers sometimes you can keep inside of your house. But for the most part, plants can survive outside, like big trees. You can't put a big tree inside of your house, it won't fit. And it might not get enough sunlight because sometimes our apartments or our houses don't have enough windows for the sunlight to come in. My apartment that I live in right now in Tulsa doesn't have a whole lot of windows. So a plant would not really be able to survive here. It would not get enough sunlight. And sunlight is something that plants need to grow. Outside, plants can find all of their basic needs. Okie dokie. Now I want you to stop and think. How do plants meet their basic needs? Where do they find what they need to stay alive and grow? And something else that I did not write here. What basic needs are the same between human beings like you and I and plants? What are the things that we need to stay alive that are the same? And what things are different? All right, we are going to go ahead and sing our goodbye song, and then it will be time to close out. This video was kind of short because we already met this morning. We're singing our goodbye song in 3, 2, 1, 0. It is time to say goodbye to all my friends. It is time to say goodbye to all my friends. It is time to say goodbye. Give a smile and wink an eye. It is time to say goodbye to all my friends. Beautiful job learning with me today, and thank you for my friends that came to our meeting this morning. We had about 9 or 10 friends come in, and so I was really excited to see you. Before we close out, who can tell me what the 4 basic needs of a plant are? The first one is sunlight, exactly. The second one is water or rain. The third one is in the soil under the ground. Nutrients. And the last one is in the air. They need air to breathe. Or actually, I'm sorry. We need air to breathe. Plants don't need air to breathe because they don't have lungs like we do. Remember, our body parts, we have lungs to breathe, and plants don't have lungs. They have 4 parts: roots, stems, leaves, and flowers. The 4 things that they need are sunlight, water, nutrients, and air. Very nice. Thank you so much for learning with me today. I hope you enjoyed reviewing what the 4 basic needs of a plant are to help them grow and stay alive, especially if you are growing a garden outside right now. It is springtime, and that is when folks grow plants outside in flower beds or vegetable gardens. So if you are growing any plants at your house or in your backyard, remember what the 4 basic needs are so that your plants can grow up to be strong and healthy. And that is all for today. I will see you next time. I hope that you have a lovely Wednesday. Bye, friends.